I just want to go over my plan going into next week, into Monday for ES and NQ. So, first thing we're going to see here is ES is now in a downtrend. We're making lower highs and lower lows, and we had a pretty significant lower close here on ES. And I have this previous balance area that we could see on the TPO, and you can see kind of here on the volume profile right there. So my main level of interest for ES going into next week is really just going to be this 5172 area. If we can get over that, maybe we want to see us traverse this other side and then possibly higher. Otherwise, I think we could get pretty bearish, and we may want to take out wrong tool. We may want to take out these lows down here, right here, and possibly into here. And that's pretty much the extent of my plan really on ES. We're really just looking at 5172. If we can hold below that, hold this kind of down move right there, or if we fail any breakouts over this high, I will want to look short. Otherwise, over 72, I want to look long. And then if we look at NASDAQ, on the other hand, you can see NASDAQ actually hasn't really broken down if you look at it, because essentially we can see we have this huge range here. So this huge range, right? We have this humongous range here, and we still, though we are making lower highs, we haven't really made lower lows here. And so since NASDAQ made higher lows, this could rally back to the upside given that we break back out of this. So right now I'm really looking at this. You can kind of see this balance right here, and on the TPO you'll see we had a balanced day. So we have these huge balances here that we've just been going up and down completely through. Then we had this balanced day which we broke from, and then we came down and we bounced almost directly off of this 96, 97 area all the way up to there, came back down, broke down, and then that was the high before the close. So I'm going to be heavily just looking at this 96 area. So since we made a higher low, I think possibly if we break above 96 and can hold that, we may squeeze back up. Otherwise, if we're holding below this, I want to try for lows. Like, I want to look for us to take out these lows at 18,050. And I think if we take out this low, it's quite possible that we would run this low, and then finally take that out, and which could create a pretty big move, just assuming that there's so much inventory built up here long that once we break down from there, I want to see us start taking out lows pretty rapidly and create a bearish move. So pretty much the plan is just shorts below 96, longs above 96 for possible squeeze, and then below the lows, I would be taking profit at each one of these lows as a target, and then see if we can really start liquidating this whole range. And then ES, almost same thing, but here at 72, a little bit more bearish on ES, and possibly target all the way down here to 26 and 16. But if we can get back over that, it is possible we get a little relief rally from there. But I really want to see a bearish move. But if we get above these pivots, I will try to avoid playing bearish for the most part.